get lots.
Yeah, same.
Do you think about it first and then it actually happens in real life, or does it happen in real life and then you think about it?
They are coming to kill me or some kind of.
I get very weird dreams. Like, so the other day,
It's somewhere related to your past life that you or someone close to you died because of drowning.
So, talking about dreams, have you ever gotten any weird dream where you're being chased or falling or flying? I get lots.
Yeah, same. Because I think that dreams are projection of something you're feeling, and
Yeah.
we get so random dreams. Like I get this dream of falling off almost every other time.
Even I know a person who actually falls in real life so much that they also dream about it too. So maybe they're manifesting it in a way or two.
And I think falling off means something related to anxiety or something. I don't know, that you're very anxious and that's why you fall. You don't know what's going to happen about it.
that's a whole like Freudian thing, no? Like
Yeah.
your fears and insecurities manifest.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. But what do you think? How does it go? Do you think about it first and then it actually happens in real life, or does it happen in real life and then you think about it?
I think it would be a mixture of both, no? Like sometimes some things that have already happened, a lot of mixture of them happens in the story. For example, I might have seen 10 people in real life.
Yeah.
And in my story, I would definitely know them and I'll be like, they're coming to kill me or some kind of story.
Kill her.
Yeah, I
Altogether.
think like what you subconsciously think of people, and if they come in your dream, like that really reflects what you're subconsciously thinking about that particular
Yeah.
person. So I do feel like dreams do have some sort of a reason, but I get very weird dreams. Like, so the other day, I lost one of my AirPods, and that came into my dream, like reminding me. In my dream, there was like those AirPods, that particular piece is in a particular shop, and I'm going to that shop. I'm chasing
Trying
it.
to
That dream, I'm
find
trying to
it.
find that one AirPod that I lost. So my dreams are very random, and I mostly don't remember my
Did you
dreams.
find your AirPod in the dream?
Did you find it in real life?
In real
No.
life, yeah, that was my question. I feel sometimes dreams can give you a lot of signs, and I feel like personally, I believe in a lot of signs. Like if I'm going to do or embark a journey and I get a sign or like a bad omen, then I actually be very cautious about it. Like what is going to happen next?
Even I
Yeah.
think that, like, I feel like I have a lot of like very like psychic, like this is going to happen to you.
Yeah.
My mom really believes in like dreams having a meaning. So like I think it's said when you in your dream, if you're drowning in water, that's a sign like you're stuck in life or something like that. So yeah, I think dreams do have some meaning. Yeah, there've been some researches and scientific studies on to back it up.
So I have a minor degree in psychology. So I was reading this book, Past Life Regressions, and in that it was a crazy theory. But it said that if you are drowning or you feel like drowning, it's somewhere related to your past life that you or someone close to you died because of drowning. And it kind of gave me the chills. Even the fears that I haven't.
I don't even remember what happened with me in the past day. How would I remember what happened with me in my past life? I also feel the task that you ended your day with, that also
It's like fresh on your mind,
fresh on your mind. So it comes. Once what happened, I was playing when I was little. I was playing with dinosaurs, and my mom and dad were talking about our relatives. So mixture of those two things happened in my dream. The faces of the dinosaurs were replaced by my relatives. So I think a last recent memory.
How scared were you?
I was actually happy and elated because I like it was fresh. It was very creative. So I
Yeah,
could
very
draw
creative.
Yeah, I'm very nift kid, very nift coded. Next day I drew it also on paper. I was like, okay, my
How
relative.
terrified were your parents after this?
With their own image, yeah, they were like, okay, we don't look like that.
I think one of the dreams that I get most frequently is that I'm flying.
Oh, even me. Flying dreams, I feel, are very common.
And what's the meaning of that?
So I read about it that it symbolizes freedom. That either I've gained freedom or I want to be free.
Yeah, like you want to escape this break away from this thing.
Maybe from all the academic pressure.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. I used to get a lot of
Yeah, I
flying
think that
dreams.
makes a lot of sense. The academic pressure part. Yeah.
I used to get it when I was doing very regressive dance training. Maybe because it lets me be whoever I am when I am dancing. It sets you free so much while you're doing an activity that you love and you're passionate about.
You both got me flying dreams.
Yeah.
Wow.
Have you not got? You have not.
Never.
I
Yeah,
never
I know.
deadline dreams. I didn't
Yeah.
get to submit it on time.
Yeah, I get assignment dreams at times.
I get a lot of assignments. Too many.
Has Lyft tortured people so much that they're just getting assignment
It's
grades?
ingrained in our subconscious now, imagine.
Deadlines. Deadlines for deadlines. Deadlines for deadlines.
Imagine worrying about deadlines in real life and also in your dreams. मतलब deadlines are haunting my life.
There are times when you also get dreams inside dreams. Like it's a
Yeah,
recurring
it's a
pattern.
weird dream.
Yeah, it's a very layered dream.
Yeah.
That you wake up from your dream, but you're actually in your dream only.
And you also get this dream that you know you're dreaming.
Oh yeah.
You're still dreaming. Yeah.
So, have you been able to do that? Like you're able to pause your dream and then
then
play it
return
whenever
to
you
it.
want, and then maybe fast forward it and backward it also.
Like,
I used to do that.
ये होता है. I think this happens with me when someone's trying to wake me up, and in my head, in my dream, I'm like, no, like, pause the dream. I don't want this disturbance. Don't wake me up. But then I eventually wake up. I can't do it, but yeah, I've tried to.
Earlier, I did not master this quality, but then later I practiced it. I think while I was consciously dreaming.
You can practice dreaming.
Yeah.
I think you've snoozed your alarm so many times.
No, my mother used to wake me up and I used to be like 10 minutes में बहुत अच्छा सपना देख रहा हूँ.
हाँ, oh yeah, I've done
Because I need
that.
to finish this. I need to know what happens next. It's so exciting.
For some reason बहुत बार वो सपने अधूरा ही रह जाते हैं. मैंने ट्राई किया.
No, there are other dreams. There are daydreaming about that one dream I've had in the morning.
अरे keep replaying कि आगे क्या हुआ था क्या. This is much good.
कोई बात नहीं, तुम्हारे अधूरे सपने सारे पूरे होंगे.
One day.
सपने सुहाने लड़क बन के. It was nice talking to you guys
It was
about
so
these
nice
dreams and
talking
all.
about you.
Yeah, thank you
I
so
hope
much.
you guys get sweet dreams.
Yeah. Sweet dreams.